Alright, I just wanted to give a quick review of the Ridgid palm nailer, 3.5 inch palm nailer. It's a nice little unit I just picked up, and you wouldn't use this all the time, but I have a very specific case today where I'm sistering these 2x6s in this wood foundation to 2x8s. And you can see the 2x8s originally were 1 foot on center apart, so to get a hammer into this space is pretty much impossible. I tried a couple yesterday and it took a long time, so I think this tool will work pretty well for this. I have 56 of these to do, so definitely a case where the investment in a tool like this will pay off within about an hour, I would say. You can see all those guys. So yeah, I'll give you a quick demo. It seems to work pretty well. I'll just attach a nail into the magnetic slot here. So stick the nail in, it holds pretty well, and just touch it. You'll see here, one thing it doesn't do is pull this gap together. You'll have to hit that with a hammer after, but just give it a little push and it drives it in. So that's the maximum depth setting, and you can see it's just at the surface. So I'll have to bang them with a hammer and close this gap up, but really no other way to do this today. These are 3¼ inch galvanized spikes, spiral spikes, so it'd be very difficult to do otherwise. So far so good. Put a little oil in it and set it at 100 psi, and seems to be doing the trick so far. Well, here we are about 10 minutes and 50 nails later, and I think that she's blown a gasket. I'll just connect it to the air here and see if you can hear the air humming out the back here through there. Let's see if you can hear it. Dropping it fixes it. Interesting. Let's try it out here. Huh. So apparently dropping the tool will fix it. That's good to know. That might save you some time. I'll update if it crashes out.